Want to know the difference between schematic and detailed electrical drawings? You're in the right place. Schematic design electrical drawings are all about the big picture. They show how electrical components like switches, relays, and motors connect and interact using simple symbols. Think of it like a map of how electricity flows without getting into the nitty-gritty. On the other hand, detailed design electrical drawings are your go-to for construction and installation. These drawings dive deep, showing exact placements, wiring details, and even component specs. It's like going from a rough sketch to a detailed blueprint. So, what's the main difference? Schematic drawings are conceptual and focus on the logical flow, while detailed drawings give you the exact info needed to build and wire everything up. Next time you're looking at electrical drawings, remember schematics show you the plan, and detailed drawings show you how to make that plan a reality.